The question is to find the derivative of the function. We have y is equal to natural log square root of 3x to the 5. We have log here and quite complicated expression here, right? Then we can always use the property of logarithm before we find our derivative. This is equal to natural log 3x to the 5 whole thing to the power of 1/2. So using the property of logarithm, this is 1/2 times natural log 3x to the 5 equal to 1/2 times natural log 3 plus natural log x to the 5. And this 5 goes in front of log. So that is 1/2 times natural log 3 plus 5 times natural log x. Now let's find the derivative of this function. So 1/2 is multiplied here. So leave this number alone. This is constant, right? So derivative of constant, that's 0 plus 5 is multiplied. So leave 5 alone times derivative of natural x, that's 1 over x. So if we simplify this, that's going to be 5 over 2x.